I develop lessons using the things that are found in our area or in our homes because I want the learners to become part and parcel of the learning process. I want them to feel like we are not doing abstract things, but it's so real.
When you deal with the numbers, it becomes easy and so interesting.
The use of everyday items makes learning easier.
When you develop a lesson around what students like and what they're interested in, it makes their learning really fun and they understand the concept even better.
Now, what do we mean by preserving?
We preserve food for later use.
Who puts a lot more food on her plate or in his plate? Marvin, why do you do that?
I do it because I think that my brother will finish for me.
Oh, your brother will finish for you. So next time.
It has to be student-centered. It's what they experience, it's what they've seen, it's what they've had.
We start by allowing the learners to share what they know. So we make sure learning takes place from the known to unknown.
We brainstorm, actually, in class before we start a lesson. And sometimes there are things which are not in the lesson, but related in one way or another.
They're able to understand things better when they are taught by their peers. The teacher gives a guideline, but they teach themselves.
Working in small groups, you find that they learn from within themselves. They share ideas, they share the items, they have responsibilities.
I like working in groups because when you forget things, your neighbor or your friend will show you.
They come to appreciate the fact that the teacher is not the custodian of everything. They also have a role to play.
Keep working, you're doing a good job.
At first, I was worried that student-centered learning would challenge my authority as a teacher. But now understanding they enjoy it and they put in their best.
Zebras, lions, crocodiles,
I always like appreciating what they do, any small thing. They feel proud that their work has been displayed on the walls.
To them, they look at it as a reflection of who they are. They really want to be seen. This is what I did. It is very, very exciting for learners.
Creating a student-centered classroom, at first, you have to face challenges because remember, it's your lesson that you've prepared, but who is the owner of the lesson? It is the learners.